guys, good morning. In today's video, I will share with you our snorkeling adventure in Balicasag Island in Bohol. So, first we've gone to the spot where normally the sea turtle stays. So as you can see, the turtle is eating something. So, such a beautiful place. And guys, it is very deep. So now the turtle's gonna swim away and it's gonna go up to take some air, and then it goes down again. Now, here am I. So I am the one wearing in white or blue swimsuit, and that at the back of me, that is my husband. He doesn't know how to swim, so he has to wear a life jacket to be able to enjoy the snorkeling as well. So yes, so my daughter also, she also joined us, but at this time she was in the boat. So she was inside. She was in the on the boat. We have actually, guys, a tour guide. So our tour guide was taking us the video. So we hired the boat, including the tour guide. So let's say, I think for the boat we pay 1,200, and for the GoPro camera, he's using a GoPro. That was also, we have paid around, I think, 800-900 peso. To come closer to so as you can see also, there's a blue my husband, at the back of my husband, that is my daughter. She's also swimming. So the three of us rented the boat. So now after we've gone to the sea turtle spot, now we are here now in the diving spot where you could see big fishes, different kinds of fishes. This is very deep where you can do your diving. This is a diving spot. As you can see, these people, they are feeding a skyflex biscuit to the fish. The fish will come close to you. And as you can see, all those white particles, those are biscuits. Fishes was being fed with biscuits. At this time, it's quite crowded. Mostly are Koreans, Chinese. This was our amazing snorkeling experience in Bohol. As you can see, on the other side, on my right side, on my left side rather, it's just blue because it is very deep. I got even scared to go in that place because that is for scuba diving. I always stay in this side only, where you could stay the stones, rocks. Other than that, in the other side is very deep. You cannot see anything. It's just all you can see is blue, dark blue. And and it's very dark. That's my husband. That is Ronald. And also, he's also having fun. He was able to enjoy this snorkeling even though he doesn't know how to swim. Actually, my husband know how to swim, but when we go in the deep side, he just can't bring himself. He cannot just know how to float. So, and that's my daughter. She's also come with us. That's her. And here in this area, they are not. This is a preserved place, not allowed to fish. Prohibited to fish in this place because this is for. This is their tourist spot, their livelihood. So those people who lives next to the coastal area, they are when they go for fishing they have to go farther, very far, not in this area because otherwise, if fishes will get over, then no tourist will come for the snorkeling because the main livelihood of this island is tourism. So people will come for snorkeling. If this fisherman who lives in this area will catch these fishes, then the tourism will be over, will be gone. Because the main attraction of this island is the snorkeling. That's why all people lives in this island are vigilant of other fishermen from another island, not allowing them to fish in this place. Am I explaining it right? So mainly, this area is not allowed for fishing. Wow, so amazing fishes. And actually, this is also my first time to do the snorkeling. It's my first time as well, and my husband's first time as well. So that's all, guys. I hope you have enjoyed our snorkeling adventure in Bohol. And thank you for watching. I hope to see you to our next one. And just stay safe. Bye-bye. Until next time. Bye.